Use and care of microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is widely and extensively used in the biology laboratory. It magnifies and resolves the objects seen through it. Microscope increases the size of retinal image, the image formed on the retina of eye of an object. The ratio of increased image to that formed on retina of an unaided normal eye is termed as magnification of the microscope. The term resolution or resolving power refers to the ability of a system to distinguish two close points as two separate points. Human eyes have a limited resolving power and cannot distinguish the object smaller than 0.1 mm, 100 micron. To study the organisms which are smaller than 0.1 mm, different microscopes are used. At 10+2 level, both dissecting microscope and compound microscope are very commonly used by the students. Care of the microscope. 1. Before and after the use, all the lenses and metal parts including stage should be cleaned out. The lenses are cleaned with tissue paper, muslin cloth or soft and clean handkerchief. 2. Microscope should be kept covered when not in use. 3. Objective should not be ordinarily removed from the next piece. 4. Operating screws, condenser, iris diaphragm, mirror and stage clips should always be handled carefully.